Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. You are watching my Ugandan cooking channel, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello my family, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to prepare French fries and beef wet fry. So this is what we are going to use. We have Irish, corn flour, beef, carrot, onion, tomatoes and green pepper. So I'm now going to wash the Irish, then I cut them into smaller pieces. So I'm going to soak our Irish potatoes like for 10 minutes, but I'll add their vinegar and some salt. So I'm going to pour off this water in the Irish. I'm going to cook the Irish for 3 minutes, but I'll count the 3 minutes when it has begun to boil. I'm going to marinate our beef. So I'll put a few drops of soy sauce, some salt, paprika, black pepper, olive oil, I will also add garlic, then give it a nice mix with my hand. So I'll cover and set it aside. Now our 3 minutes are done. So I'm going to pour away the hot water. So I'm going to pour our Irish in this tray. So I'm going to dry them. So I'm going to add cornstarch to the Irish potatoes. I'm now going to fry our beef. I'm now going to cut the veggies for the beef. Now going to add the onions and the carrots. So I'm going to add tomatoes. I'm going to add some turmeric. I'm going to add the green pepper. So my beef wet fry is ready. I'm just going to serve. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribing button. See you in my next video.